In this quick video guide, we are going to talk about Unreal Engine and Twinmotion. Now, these two are two software from Epic Games, and what you're seeing here is the Epic Games Launcher. Now, if you don't know what Epic Games Launcher is, or you don't know anything about Twinmotion and Unreal Engine, I suggest you to start to see other video guides about this topic. So if you type Twinmotion install, for example, you can search for in our channel, or you can also search for Unreal install. And we produce a lot of videos about Unreal Engine and Twinmotion, so subscribe, stay tuned for other videos. And if you want to see complete courses, go to playlists and get here and see English video courses. Now, basically what you need to make this exercise, let's call it like this, is to get at the Epic Games Launcher. And you can get the Epic Games Launcher from Google or any other browser by searching for Epic Games. You get here, and the first result will bring you to the Epic Games Launcher. You can do a lot of things with Epic Games Launcher. You can download games, you can do a lot of stuff here, you can buy games, and a lot of stuff. Also get offers and things like that. Now, once you're finished, you have to create an account, and then you have to download Epic Games Launcher. Once you're finished, you're gonna find it in your computer. Now, this is the Epic Games Launcher. You click here. This will open up this panel. Now, quickly, what is Unreal Engine? Unreal Engine, it's an engine that it's used to develop video games. So you can create video games, but not only video games, also architecture and design simulation. So it's used for in many fields like automotive design and, I don't know, movies and so on. Twinmotion is like the smaller brother of Unreal Engine. So this is focused mainly on the visual, on the architectural visualizations, or well, you have limited interaction while you can build a video game from scratch in Unreal Engine. In Twinmotion, you can just do a little bit of animation and just a little bit of interaction, but not so much. So if you really want something like virtual reality interaction, something like that, you should go for Unreal Engine. Twinmotion, it's simpler, but probably it's the simplest and also most economic option if you want to create level design with trees, exteriors, and a lot of stuff here, people, cars, and so on. But again, it's just the smaller package of Unreal Engine. Now, what Twinmotion has, it's a lot of packages like materials, and we can get Twinmotion materials, take them and bring it into Unreal Engine, and this is why this video it's about. So if we want to bring Twinmotion materials, which are really nice, into Unreal Engine, so that we have like a database of materials that we can use without creating even one. So we can do that by going into the marketplace, and the marketplace is the part in the Epic Games Launcher where you can download a lot of stuff, including materials, characters, entire scenes and levels, sometimes entire games. So you can like customize things, you can download them, you can use it for your project. Well, a lot of things you can do with the marketplace. Now, if we go here and search for Twinmotion, we can find, you can see these 4 packages, which are all free. And this is the actual software. So this is Twinmotion. Then we have this direct link and Twinmotion importer, which also can be used to work with in combination with Twinmotion and Unreal, but we're going to talk about this later. This is the materials right here that you can see I have already downloaded. But if you didn't already, you can click here. You will find a button where it will say get download or get this or something like that. So I've already done that, and you can see I am downloading this. So I just have to wait for the download. As you can see, it's a pretty big package. It's 8 GB, so it's gonna take a long time, but this is also telling me that I will find a lot of stuff here. So a lot of high quality materials and textures that I can use in my scenes without even creating one. So I have a lot of things that I can use in Unreal Engine. So whether you're coming from Twinmotion, you want to move into Unreal Engine, you want to take something with you, or whether you are only an Unreal Engine user and you want to take advantage of these Twinmotion packages, this is an excellent choice. Now in the library, you can go down here and you can see everything that you have downloaded so far, and you can see here also I am downloading this stuff. Also, you can check this from the download. Now once it's finished, it's gonna ask me to open up a scene. Well, actually it already did. In the moment that I select this from the marketplace, it asked me where I want to bring these materials, in which project. So I told him that I want to bring this into this project here. But if you don't have any project at all, you have to create at least one. And to do that, you must launch one of these versions of Unreal Engine. So of course you have to first download and install Unreal Engine, and then you will launch the editor. And in my case, I have selected a template here from Architecture, Engineering and Construction, this one here. So this is what I'm gonna use to make this example. Now, when you create one, just give the directory, so the location where you want to create it, and the name, and say create project. That's it. Then the project will be created. And so if you open up again the Epic Games Launcher and you go into the library, you will find that project there. So you can bring this package into one of your projects. Well, you can do this also with other packages. You can see here I have downloaded other packages for characters, or maybe an entire video game demo like this one, or you can download other types of materials. If you look for, there are a lot of free packages, lots of free materials in the marketplace that you can download and use on your project. So basically we just have to wait now, and then we're gonna check out these Twinmotion materials into Unreal Engine. Okay, I finished to download my Twinmotion materials. I will click here on Add to Project, and I will select my project here. Let's say Add, and yeah, it's already telling me that I've already uploaded on that project, so I don't need to do that one more time. But if you didn't already, you can do it. So I just need to open up my project here made with Unreal Engine 4.26. And here I am. So let's try some new materials here. Let's go to content, and you can see you can find a folder of the Twinmotion materials right here. And so let's see what's inside. Let's double click on this folder and get to materials folder, and look at that, how many folders I have in here. I have a lot of things, everything is organized. So let's check, for example, some bricks, and I will click and drag these bricks directly into my project right there. And now you need to wait with that the shader will be compiled. You will see a message right down at the bottom right. So just wait, and then you're gonna see these bricks showing up, and they look a little bit small. So what I can do is get into my material here and try to fix this. Now this is the base material, and we can also double clicking, we can get into the we can see it more closely. We can check how beautiful it is and how it's very detailed, and we have all the textures right here. So we can search for example, a particular texture inside my project browser. I can also export this, and I made another video about exporting 3D objects but also textures. And also, if I scroll down a little bit here, I have a really handy UV tiling. So in this case, well, let's decrease the tiling. Let's put 0.5, and I will copy this and paste it here. So I'm making this bigger, and I can see everything real time. and I can save this. And let's jump to another material. So let's get back here to materials, and for example, let's check for the ground here, nature, and we have a lot of grass material that I can apply here to my ground. And it's a little bit slow because these are really high quality materials, so it's gonna take some time. There you go, that's your compiling shaders message right there at the bottom right. So we just need to wait. And we also have something like metals. So we have very complex metals. We have, let's see, plastics and parquet. We have, I don't see glasses. There you go. So we have glasses. And glasses are the most difficult materials to create. So here we have a bunch of glasses ready to use. And this is not so easy to do this in Unreal Engine. So this is gonna help us. Now I don't see many things here, but I think it's still compiling. Yeah, exactly. You can see there at the top that it's like compiling a lot of stuff. So you're gonna have to wait to see everything in place. But I guarantee that once it's finished, you're gonna have a lot of things to pick here from. And also you can see you have you also have like material functions, like tree planner, other stuff here. You have masters. You have also some levels. So for example, if I open up this one, let's select this level here. I will open up another one. I can see a showcase of all the materials. So I think it's gonna be a really huge level where I can check all the materials that I can use. Okay guys, I think it's taking too much time. I don't have all that time to wait to show you this level, but I guess you can find some preview as I'm doing right here into the Unreal Engine 4 documentation. So this is just a sneak preview, and you can see it's a really large level, very big level. So it's gonna take, well, it's full of materials. So I don't know how much our time is gonna take, but I think it's gonna take a little bit too long for me for this video guide. So let me know how it goes for you, if you can open it up, if it's nice, and you can check everything. So please subscribe to the channel and leave your comments, leave your questions and suggestions for other users. And if you want to support us for other videos and courses, please get here to this PayPal link, or you can also get to the store. We are starting to publish some merchandising on the store. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video guide.